Hey everybody, out here digging. You can see it's still pretty snowy, but I've dug a few holes and it's very soft in the wood still. So far, this is all it's been. Little shots, little buck shots and stuff, little some ammunition. But yeah, we're gonna keep swinging. I'm out here with Brian again, and we're gonna try to find some history. I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna show you guys this real quick, because this is the second well. So in the last video, I don't remember if I showed the well, but I pointed out where it was, and it's back that way about, I don't know, 100 yards roughly. And yeah, this is the other one. Look at all the big stones. They have a couple of railroad ties on the top so people don't fall in accidentally and kind of see it ahead of time. But yeah, pretty sweet. I mean, it's an old well, and you know, the cemetery on this land on the other side is from 1755, so keep swinging, see what we get. Bullet, another bullet. Well, so far it's been nothing but bullets, but how can you not dig targets that are from the 60s to 70s, great signals? So it's been bullet after bullet after bullet after bullet. But I just came across this. Can't tell me that's not a chimney stack. Wow. Where else? I'm gonna swing around this area. I was over there probably about 50, 60 feet, and I looked over and went, huh, what is that? Definitely a chimney stack. It's all broken down in pieces here. So we're gonna swing, and it almost looks like that may be another well. I'm gonna have to go take a look at it, but yeah, I'm gonna swing around this area a little bit, see what happens. Well, indeed it is. Well number 3 on this property. That's where the chimney stack is, over there about 30 feet from me. And another well. Hopefully we find some good stuff here. I'm gonna keep swinging. Well, I just found this, which I believe is an old mason jar lid. It's very old. And there was this other little round piece in there, but hey, we'll keep going. It's something. So I was off in the woods here swinging, and Brian starts going, yo, come check this out. Look at this. It's a buckle with pistols on it. That is awesome.
That is incredible.
Dude, nice find.
Hell yeah, man.
Sweet.
That was awesome.
Nice. Hey, that's the find of the day for sure, because it's been all shotgun shells and junk, but we're having fun. And that's a sweet find.